Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Today we are going to do object detection model creation using IBM Watson Studio. This is your project window. Just click on Add to Project. Choose a visual recognition service. Here this is a detect object custom model. This is we build custom images classifier that detect the objects within the images using coordinates. So we will click on this create model. When you will click on this, it will open this window. So here you can drag and drop your images. I have already uploaded the images. Once this image is uploaded, we need to detect its or highlight its area which we want to detect as an object. So once this image is uploaded, tick on this and say edit. Here you can edit or draw the object highlight detection in the picture like this one. So it will set some area with this coordinate, like I have highlighted this area. I want to detect it as an object in my given image. So I will give it a caret. Its height is this one, width, top and left. If your machine is find this coordinates in your image, it will say it's a caret. So this way you can you need to draw or highlight the object's area using to which you want to detect by the machine as an object. You need to apply this method on all images using which you want to train your model. Once it's done, just click on the done button and then it will open your this window again. Now click on the train model. Once you train, it will take your 10 to 12 minutes. After training your model, your now model is ready to go. You can test it. So how we can do that? I have already trained it. It takes some time. Our model is ready for the testing. This is the window where you can see the overview of the model test and implementation. So click on the test tab. It will open this window as we have done in case of classify images as well. We will upload new image here. This one and this one. So we will choose it. Now you can see this here. If I'm selecting this area on the left side, it says 27% confidence level. It's a caret. It belongs to this class caret. So if we choose this here, it says only your this one area is below. This is 23, this is 18%, because it is not detecting this area because it is showing it as smaller coordinates. So this way you can detect your objects in the given image and build a model using by IBM Watson Studio. This was all about how you can do the detection image, and if you want to retrain it, you can follow the same steps as we have followed in the classify images. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.